Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 8 and we are at 0.008%. So let's see what happened on day 8. So our spendings are still at 0, so we do not have to deduct anything, and our AdSense revenue is $89.2. That makes our profit $89.2. And the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked ones. Now let's go and check out the YouTube studio to see what happened on day 8. So our subscriber count is 1,855. Today we have almost 1,500 videos uploaded. And let's see our statistics. So the views are 86.8 thousand in the last 28 days, 974 watch time hours, 264 subscribers in the last 28 days, and as I mentioned before this, our revenue is $89.2. Let's see what are the most profitable videos right now, top earning videos. So the top one is how to earn interest on cryptocurrency, which became the first one yesterday and it's still on the top. The second one is how to find virtual background settings on Zoom, and the third one is how to remove text in Canva. So these are some of our most profitable videos. As you can see, these are all made over $1 in 1 week. And yeah, so that's it for day 8. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you want to follow my journey or see how we started, just check out this playlist. And if you like what we are doing here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.